Welcome to my kitchen and the first episode of Live Simply Well. In this series, we'll learn how to enhance our slow and simple lifestyle with natural, low-waste tips, tricks, DIY projects, and recipes. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a natural heavy-duty window and glass cleaner together and try it out. The receipt comes from Simply Living Well by Julia Watkins, as will most of my content for the series. So without further ado, let's try to make this. To make this heavy-duty window and glass cleaner, you will first need a 16-ounce spray bottle. A funnel is practical, but it's not necessary. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol or vodka, 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1.5 cups of warm water. You could also add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. Alright, so I ended up doubling the recipe because my bottle is a 32-ounce bottle and it was for a 16-ounce bottle. But now you shake it vigorously and now it's ready to use. Let's go try it out on the kids' bathroom mirror. Here's my kids' bathroom mirror. Julia recommends to wipe your windows or glass clean with a terry cloth or newspaper, but I currently don't have either. So I tried a cotton cloth first, followed by a microfiber cloth, then a paper towel because that's what I had on hand. Neither the cotton cloth nor microfiber cloth absorbed the moisture from the spray efficiently, so I ended up using the paper towel to wipe the mirror clean. I am trying to get away from the paper towels. I'll have to get us some terry cloths. The kids' mirror is sparkling now. Well, at least until they decide to splatter spit everywhere while they're brushing their teeth, am I right?